guys, welcome back. It's been a while that I've done this video. I'm sorry. We just get caffeinated. So my issue has been lack of energy, I guess. I think I could say I'm involved in too many things that I want to be best at everything, and I'm not able to. I think I need to cut back and do one thing at a time. This is my second cup of coffee today, and I'm hoping that it will give me some energy so that I could be more energetic for this video. Okay, by the way, I love this cup. We got it from Universal Studio, and I love little minions. I have this secret addiction of collecting mugs with cute little, cartoons or writings and stuff like that. It makes me enjoy my coffee better for some reason. I was thinking about this morning. I was drinking my coffee and I thought about it. My God, what would I do without coffee? I mean, I know we have to be thankful for everything that we have, and I am. But I enjoyed my cup of coffee so much to the point that I thought about it. Who is the person who came up with this coffee? Very first time. So I looked it up, and this is really fun fact, or it's a legend, and I thought it was so much fun to find out about it. It was a shepherd named Kaldi, something like that, in Arabia, that he was in the field with his herds, and he saw his herds eating these beans from these plants, and they were hyper. So he went and took one and ate, or a few and ate, and he felt energetic. So he regularly consumed some of it, and he felt good. So the nice guy he was, he collected, and thank God he did, for my sake. He collected all the beans and brought it to a monastery where the monks had it, because he was trying to help them, because they have long prayer and fasting days, so to give them energy without having to eat food. And they all enjoyed it. They were sort of high on it. So some of the monks, I guess, or the religious leaders, thought it was really bad and threw them into the fire. So when they threw these beans into the fire, the aromatics really got them, and they sort of enjoyed it. So then they took it out and put it into the water and boiled it. So that practice has begun, like drinking of coffee, I guess. At that time they consumed it, and it spread throughout Arabia and Egypt and all over the place. Not until the 1600s or so, there was this guy who visited Arabia, came back to India, brought a plant. So it was only, coffee plants were only in Arabia, Middle East at that time. Until 1600s, they didn't have it outside of Arabia. And India was, a fun fact, India was the first place to have coffee other than the Arabia. And then slowly it, spread throughout Europe and Asia, and now in America. And thank God to my coffee. I don't know what I would do without coffee. Lately, I've been into these AHA. I don't know if you guys know about this AHA product. This is one of my favorite citrus, and it does have caffeine. And so in the middle of the afternoon, so that was my favorite flavor. But now, as of yesterday, I found this, and this is the mango black tea, and I think I like better than the citrus tea one. I love it. It has half of the caffeine as the regular tea or coffee, but it's something cold and bubbly that you could, if you are a sparkling water flavored sparkling water fan, you will enjoy it. I really enjoy it. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. Anyway, that was a long intro. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome back. Welcome back to all the people who have subscribed. And if you're new, I hope you stay and subscribe. Join the crazy family. So as you know from the title already, I'm going to show you about 5 gadgets that I got them all on Amazon. But you could get it. I know right now not everybody is into Amazon. because of such a monopoly and all the issues, which I don't want to get into. You could get it in Amazon. I'll link it down below, or you could get it anywhere, like other stores have it too. But the important part is the idea. That's what I'm talking about. So this idea to have it in kitchen, I didn't think about it until I watched videos, and I came upon, the search in Amazon. So, I'm going to show you a few products that I really enjoy in my kitchen. And a lot of you friends who have came over had asked me to, do a video or talk about it. So the very first thing I'm going to talk about is this. So this is like a little silicone kitchen tool, and it's called Tomorrow's Kitchen. I guess that's the brand, and it's just a very like flappy, very soft silicone, and it's heat proof, and it has this 1, 2, 3, 4 indentation where you could put your utensil when you're cooking, and this is like the drip pad. And you could throw this into, I'm going to put a little clips of videos me using it. These are really good because the drip pad takes up all the drip that will fall when you're cooking, and then this is heat protected, so it doesn't melt. This is dishwasher safe, so you could throw it into the dishwasher, and it comes really in handy. I really enjoy it. I use it every day in my kitchen. It's really good. The second gadget I have is this one. Is one of my favorite. Actually, all of them are my favorite, but this is oil spritzer or sprayer, whatever you want to call it. I fill it in with olive oil because that's what I use. This opens. I'm going to open it without spilling, and you could refill whatever, and the mist on it is so good. It covers the whole pack, and I really enjoy it because this doesn't have aerosol like I used to use Pam to spray. So now I don't have to do that. You could fill it with whatever oil it is that you want to use. So I really enjoyed that. And then the next gadget I have is this. This is really cool because when you cook pasta, rice, anything that you have to drain, all you do is you take this little piece. So instead of having a strainer, having a bulky thing, you could just put this onto anything. These has like these 2 clips that attach to the pot, and then it gives you like a spout that you could drain your thing. And this is also dishwasher safe. This is by Kitchen Ozimo, I guess that's the brand, and it's really sturdy, and it really works, and it's heat protected also, so it doesn't melt, and it really helps me to drain all that water from my pasta or whatever it is. So I really enjoyed that one. The next product I have is this. So I am gonna do, hopefully, if I get to it, guys. It's been really difficult working full time. I'm doing gardening, I'm doing painting, too many projects. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do meal prep video if I get to it, okay? Because I've been meal prepping on the weekends since I work Monday to Friday. So this comes really handy. So it's flat like this, right? You can put it into the drawer like that, and then when you're ready to use it, this flips up like that. You can make it longer. What it is these clips hold your bag, the Ziploc bag. So it's wide open, and then you could put your stuff into it. I have like, it came in a pack of 4 or 6. So, you could line it up, and then you could prep your meat, vegetable, whatever it is, put it into the bag, and then, that way you don't need somebody else to hold your bag. And then it, you could shrink it back, and it goes down, and it's very flat, and it's easy to like put it into the drawer and store it. So this is really, really, really helpful when I meal prep like 5 or 6 dishes all together on the weekend and I don't have any help. I could use this and it comes in handy. And then the last one that I'm going to talk about is I really, really love this. This is a can opener, guys. This is really cool, and this is by Kitchen Mama, and this mama uses it every single day. So all you do is you press the button, you put the can, and you just go mind your business, and it just opens. And when you come back, you press it again, and it rotates backwards, and it stops. And then you lift it, and your can's open. So nice and clean. It's not edged or anything like that. You won't cut yourself, and it's really good. It works with 4 AA battery, and that's it. And it's easy peasy. So I really love this one. So I do have 2 more bonus product. One is, this is also from Amazon. This is the bear paw. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it. So these 2 things. So what I do with this is I use my Instapot. I love my Instapot. So I could take chicken breast or whatever meat it is, put it in there, season it, cook it, and then when it's all ready, I go in, you could use these. These are very sharp. These claws are very sharp, and you use it to like shred your meat. And it's really handy because when you have hot meat that you want to quickly do it, and it's a good grip, especially with my thumb. I have rheumatoid arthritis, so my knuckles hurt for the fine motor skills. So this is really handy. So I could just shred my meat. So it's like bear claw. So really good. And then the last, not the least, is these silicone covers, and they are by True Nature. This is also heat protection, BPA free, all that stuff. So basically what it is, it's a stretchy silicone cover. So if you have, let's say, a bowl of food that you didn't finish and you don't really want to put it into a Tupperware, you just want to quickly put it in to save space or whatever. Usually I would put a foil paper or a plate, which will fall, or like a saran wrap, which will be wasted, right? So this is reusable. This is dishwasher proof. You can wash it. So basically what you do is you put it over, and it is a little work for you to put. It's not that much of a work, but for me it's a work because it's, hard on my fingers. But you just put it like that, right? And then you pull it, and it's nice and tight, and it covers it. I don't know if you guys could see that. So it covers like a little lid. And they come in a pack, different sizes and different shape. This one is a square shape, and this is circle. These are 2 little ones, and they have bigger ones, smaller ones. So those I've been using a lot as well. When you have quick meal that your kids didn't finish, or snack that you're going to take a little later, you really don't want to dirty another dish or whatever. You just close it with this, stick it in the fridge, and you can reuse it. So that's all I have. I just want to quickly let you guys know what lipstick I'm wearing and what nail polish, because a lot of people do tend to ask, and I always tell myself to remember to tell you guys, and I always forget. So instead of me texting them or DMing them later, I'll just tell you now. The lipstick I have on is the MAC. This is the liquid lipstick that they have, and it's in the shade Brandy, and I absolutely love it. I think I could use it a little bit more. It's very thin. It's a thin formula. It doesn't dry your lip that much. And what I do to get that wet glossy look, because it is a matte liquid lipstick, although it's comfortable, I like to have that wet look. And I am in love with this. This is kind of broken, but this Tarte lip gloss. It's by Tartiest, and it's in the shade gold. So I can't read. This is so small. Strike gold. I love this. So let me put some on and show you guys. And look how pretty. It gives you that golden flecks, and yet it makes it look nice and juicy and plump and wet looking. And I think my thing is secretly it's the smell. I love the smell of it. It smells like coffee, mocha, cupcake, chocolate, all in one, like a little bakery. I love it. If I could eat it, I will eat it. But I love this. I think, oops, I just dropped it. And that's the reason why I use it a lot too, because of the smell, I guess. And then the nail polish I have is the Sally Hansen Insta. And it dries really fast too. And this is in the shade Cherry Fast 421. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, 421 Cherry Fast. And I think it's a pretty color for our skin tone, and even if you're lighter or darker, it's such a pretty, and it dries really fast. People like me, oh, forget it. My nails are really horrible now that I'm planting, and I'm really bad with, you guys know, I'm really bad with nail polishes, so this really works. It dries. So anyway, that's all I have. It was really nice spending some time with you guys. This is really relaxing. I should do this a little bit more. Anyway, happy Sunday, or whatever day you're watching. Have a fantastic day. I missed you guys, and I will try to post a little bit more, God willing. So have a great, wonderful day. Comment down below if you liked what I showed you guys, if you guys are planning to buy it, or if you guys would like to come and hang out with me and chill and have a cup of coffee. Anyway, have a blessed, blessed day, guys. Love you guys. Bye.